Hi guys, so this is the makeup tutorial for today, and yes, it's a voiceover bubble. Yes. So here I'm taking my Shades by Gal Baked Hydrating Powder. Oh, excuse me. God, I'm so tired. Hydrating powder in what is it called again? Dark. Yes, it's in dark. So I'm putting that on my brow bone area, and now I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. St. Lucia contouring blush and bronzer kit, and I'm taking the dark side. I'm putting that in my crease as like my transitional color, and that's what's going to help my crease colors to blend a little bit more. Now I'm going in with my Shades by Gal. It's like it makes the colors pop. I can't remember the name of it, but it makes the colors pop. It's like a base. It's a base. Yeah, it's called a base like the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, but it's easier to travel with. I think the Shades by Gal one, because it's so nice and flat. That's going all over my lid, because that's where most of the color is going to be placed on, like my main color. So that's, and I'm using this angled brush to just blend it out. And notice how I went above my lid. I went over my lid. You see that? So that whenever I put the eyeshadow on there, when I open my eyes, I can still see the hint of color. Because I have hooded eyes, so sometimes when I open my eyes, I can't see fully what's on the lid. So now I'm going back in with the e.l.f. contour blush and bronzer, and I'm taking this color and I'm the lighter color, and I'm putting it all over my lid. And this look, I just winged it because I knew I wanted to use all the e.l.f. stuff today again for this eye look, because as you saw, I got a bunch of stuff from e.l.f. and I wanted to make do, and I wanted to show you guys how to kind of make the palette work for you. Now, if you were just going to work or somewhere where you don't need a lot of makeup, this could go for you. Of course, blend out the color there, but this could definitely work for you. And see, it looks like a semi-cut crease. This would definitely work for like an everyday look. So now I'm taking their blush palette in dark, and I'm taking that color there, and I'm just putting that in my crease as well, right at the end, to kind of blend out the lid color on within my crease. And notice I've been baking a lot lately. I am addicted to it. It really makes my makeup last longer. Now I'm taking Party Purples. This is the eyeshadow color, and I'm talking to Jermaine. You guys, for this video, I'm full on having a deep conversation from like beginning to end. But yeah, so I'm putting that color in my happy area, and then I'm going to change and use the beautiful brown palette to go for that gold, because I didn't like how this color was coming. See my face? I didn't like how that color was coming up. So I'm going for that light gold, and I'm putting it over that color, and I'm putting it on my happy area. See, I was saying I love baking right now. It is just everything to me, and I don't have to use this much when I'm baking, so I'm experimenting how I bake. So yeah, and as you can see behind me, all my lashes are going down because I had a bridal party to do. So yeah, but anyway, so, and these lashes behind me I purchased, FYI. Anyway, so I'm taking this black eyeliner pencil, I'm just putting it on my waterline and my lash line, going back in with Party Purples, and I'm taking that color so it just pops. It's the brush that I'm using as well, because that brush is from e.l.f. as well. It's really small, and it is just really compact. So now I'm taking I think the darker purple, yes, and I'm putting it on the outside, but it's still not going to come up as dark. So I'm going to go over that darker purple with the black eyeliner pencil that I placed on my waterline, and that's just going to make the colors at the end pop, because I wanted like a light purple fading into a dark purple. So that this black eyeliner pencil will deepen that purple for me, make it a little bit darker. Yeah, so that's basically what I'm doing now. So next I'm taking their liquid liner, their e.l.f. liquid liner, and I'll be lining my eyes. And this is how I line. Oh no, this is their mascara. Sorry, this mascara is dried up on me, but I don't use it for anything but just dusting out the eyeshadow from my lashes. So now I'm taking the liquid liner, and I am just going to line my eyes. So I'm going to start from the bottom, as you guys know how I do my liquid liner now. Because I have hooded eyes, I rarely go line from the top. I focus most of my line on the bottom, so that the drama can be from that section of my eyes, and leave the eyeshadow color on top. Because you see how much, see that little bit of space I have on my eyes. If I should put the black eyeliner, liquid liner on top of that, on my top lash line, it's going to cover up some of the eyeshadow, and I didn't want that. So yeah. So, and as I said, I'm the only person I've seen doing it on YouTube, but you know what I'm saying, not tooting my own horn, but beep beep. Beep beep. Okay. So I'm lining both eyes, and I'm taking my time. Well, I think I'm taking my time. Just want to show you guys the real time process, as well as how I do it. I didn't want to speed it up or just cut through this part. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. So now I'm going back in with party purples, and I'm taking that dark purple and I'm putting it in my crease, and I'm putting it on the outside, focusing most of the color on the outside. So as I'm doing now, just going back and forth, and this is another elf brush that I'm using. Sorry to do that. So, and obviously lyric doing it on both eyes. By the way, that someone was not farting, that was my mouth. I just had to clear that up because some of you might say, "Ah, lyric poop." I promise this is the same day. I know the difference. Same day, just throw a wig on and change my top. Same day. Alright. So I'm taking my sleek blush in rose gold, and you guys know this blush is like a highlight for me. This blush is sexy. Oh, it's sexy. It's my favorite blush of life, bubble. Yes, and it's new. So I bought another one when the other one that I had broke. I was like, nope, I need this in my life. So I'm putting that on the high parts of my face, well, my cheekbones, and I'm smiling because I like when I smile and I have a little glow look. You see that? Oh, I love it. Down my nose, yes, girl, you better get it, bro. And I'm showing you all my highlighting techniques, like where I highlight. So yeah, I don't know if you want to see that, but I'm just showing you. So for the blush, I'm taking this blush palette from Elf, and this is in dark. And these blushes are extremely pigmented, so please use a light hand. Sometimes when I record, I'm looking back on the clip like, God, girl, that's a lot of blush. Why do you need so much though? But yeah, the dark blushes are really pigmented. See that? Like I think this could have been blended out some more, but I didn't. So this lipstick is called Snob, and it's by MAC. And I know you guys say it so many times, and I didn't agree until now. I use mainly pink lipsticks. I'm sorry, I love pink lipsticks, and this is Praline by Elf. I'm using it to line my lips. I love pink lipsticks, you guys. I'm sorry, but I love pink lipsticks. Then to go around my lips, I'm going to take LA Girl's Chestnut, and that's the brown lip pencil that I'll be putting around my lips as well. Oh, going back in with Snap a little bit. Yes, girl, you better snatch them lips, bubble. What are you listening to? Oh, then I'm taking Puff Piece. I love this lip gloss. To put it in the center and then work it on my lips. Then I'm taking the chestnut that I was saying about earlier on. I'm taking this lip pencil, and it's by LA Girls. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoy.
You're going to need to be as swift as
I'm not even sucking down like this. These are collarbone goals, which is just like
to have the force of a great